Okay, I'm gonna give y'all 2 C's to help you double your potato harvest. And the first C is cultivate. So you wanna go in and cultivate between those potato rows. Don't worry too much about hitting the potatoes because they don't really spread out too far from the base of the plant. That's the whole point of this method. This is why it works so well. It also works to suppress weeds really well too. So go ahead and cultivate and get ready for step 2. The next step is cover. So pretty much exactly what it says. We go in and we cover the potato plants about 4 to 6 inches. This allows more tubers to grow along that main stem. Pretty much every time you pile the dirt up, you're allowing more roots to grow, which is encouraging more tubers and more potatoes to grow. I'll only be hilling these potatoes once because of the variety, but this process can be done multiple times to increase yield, suppress weeds, and keep your soil nice and loose for the potatoes to break through. You can see after just 1 week, these potato plants have already doubled in size as a result of healing. Like and subscribe for more organic gardening tips.